Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. We are back at it again with another Halloween look, like you guys can already tell. So yeah, before we get started, we're going to go ahead and moisturize our face. I'm using my Seriously Shine Free Mattifying Oil-Free Moisturizer. After, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows. And I normally comb them first all the time. And yeah, I'm going to fill them in. And then I'm going to use this e.l.f. concealer to conceal under my eyebrows where my brow bone area is, just to give a little highlight under my eyebrows. I'm using my Prime Oil Control Spray as my under makeup primer. I'm also using this Cover FX Blurring Primer just so I can have a soft application before I apply eyeshadow and foundation. I'm going to use this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer just to prime my eyelid. For foundation, I'm using my All Matte Blue Plus Shine Control by Catrice Cosmetic. Love this foundation. I'm going to mix it with my Stella Stay All Day foundation. Always mixing two foundations together because I normally never come up with the right shade for me. So yeah, mixing two foundation is my drill right now until I find an actual shade that matches my skin. I'm using this concealer by Maybelline for my under eye conceal. And I'm also going to use my Luxe Color Corrector powder to set all my makeup in, like my foundation and concealer. I just love this product. Using my contour kit in medium tan by Anastasia, we're going to go ahead and contour our face just so we know we can look skinny. Every girl wants to look skinny. That's me. So contour is live. Using my Laura Keller New York Shimmer Blush for my blush, just applying on my cheeks area. And yeah, taking my flat brush by e.l.f. to set everything in. I normally use this brush to set all my makeup in, like my foundation and my powder. Going to use my Huda Beauty palette. We're going to go ahead in the amethyst shade, which is this one right here. Going to apply that around my brow bone area, my crease and lid area. And then going to that saffron color right here, going to apply that where my lid to my outer V corner is. Yeah, and then I'm also gonna go back to that palette and take this Eden shade right here and apply it where my brow bone area, just to set my highlight where my under my eyebrow is. I think this is all the shades I'm going to use out of my Huda Beauty palette. Do you guys see me curious? He's so funny. He's always around. Using my NYX Above and Beyond concealer for my eyeshadow concealer. Just going to apply this above my eyelash where my eyelid is, using my Kylie palette with the shade. It's like an ivory white shade to set everything in. And I am going to use this palette right here, just by Laura Lee, which is the Party Animal palette. I'm using the Issa Party shade, which is the color shade for my lid area. And going back to that saffron shade in my Huda Beauty palette and just applying on my outer V corner. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use this ink gel eyeliner in color black for my eyeliner. And that's it. Going to use my NYX Vivid Brights in red. I'm going to create a line in my crease area above my lid. Yeah, and then I'm going to use the shade yellow to create little dots. This is really random, but I think it's really cool. Yeah, so that's the look. And I'm going to use this white color by Clean Color for my wing line under my black eyeliner. Just gonna wing that out a little just to give some good dimension to my look. Going to apply some lashes on using these lashes right here. Going to apply this mascara just so I can set in my real lashes with my falsies. Using this pencil liner by Clean Color as well too in shade white for my waterline area, just so my eyes can be a little bigger. Going back to that saffron color and apply this to my lower lash line just to give a little, dimension. And going back to the mascara, apply it onto my lower lashes. Yeah, we all need mascara there as well too. Well, I do. And that's the look right now. And yeah, we are going to start our actual Halloween look. So let me go ahead and dust everything off of my face. Using this gold glitter, I'm going to apply this in my tear duct area just so my eyes can pop out more with glitter. And yeah, and this is the final look for my official eyes. We're going to go ahead and start on our face. I'm using my CC Beauty Flash palette. Going to start off with the color shade black. We are now creating our branch of our cherry blossom. So yeah.
You're my favorite girl. Baby, you're the only one. I wanna give you the world. Yeah. You're my favorite.
This color white to create my petals for my flower. I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly create all my cherry blossom flowers.
Always there when you call. Always on time. Gave you my baby. Always there when you call. Always on time. Gave you my
Yeah, baby. Yeah. No, yeah. Girl, your body is legit. Mama made you.
Using this paintbrush right here, I'm going to go into the color pink right here to fill in my shadow for my petals.
Come over here, baby. Come over here, baby. We could lay around all day and do a bunch of nothing. That's how we know we got something. I know it's gotta be something.
Voila, I got 2 chopsticks in my hair just so I can have that Japanese bun going. And I'm going to take my Smash box in color red for my lipstick and just apply that really quick all over my lip. And this is my final look. I guess we're all done. Yay! Thank you guys. This wouldn't be possible without you watching. Thank you.